How to unreport someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So if you accidentally reported someone, or if you came with an agreement with the person of the account that you don't want to report them, you can actually withdraw your report, but on several conditions. So one is that if you only reported them for the intellectual property violations, which means copyright infringement. So if you have reported them for such reasons, then you can withdraw your report. Because if I go to the Instagram help center, so you can see that actually it shows that you can see the official page of Instagram as well, which says that you can actually withdraw the report if you submitted an intellectual property report but then reached an agreement with the person who posted the content, or if you reported content by mistake. So you can withdraw your intellectual property report, and the best way to do is to email them at ip@instagram.com and reference your original report number. So the report number is very important over here, because when you report someone on Instagram, you obviously have a report number, and if you do not have the report number, then you will not be able to go ahead and then unreport them. But you also want to keep in mind that later you don't have access to all this. You need not worry, because a single report to an account on Instagram is not going to change anything on Instagram. So it officially announced that they only take action against accounts that has received more than 10 or more reports, which means that if they receive 10 or more reports, and Instagram is also going to verify those contents in that particular account and then only go ahead and then take necessary actions. But if you have accidentally reported the video, and that video or that content does not violate the Instagram's community guidelines, Instagram is not going to take any action against those. So you also do not need to worry, because Instagram is not going to notify the creator of the account that someone has reported their account, or this particular person has reported. So they are not going to also release or publicize the username of the person who reported it. So you just want to keep that in mind. However, keep it aside from that. Let's say you have already copied the email of the iPad Instagram, then you can open up your mailbox and then tap on compose and paste a particular mail, and it will also make sure to leave this email over here in the Gmail box, and you can enter the subject as in reporting, and after that you have to enter the content such as I accidentally reported this person, and that you would like to withdraw the report. So Instagram is going to take that into consideration and go ahead and then report and then withdraw your reports from those accounts. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.